Hello everybody, this is PillarTrading.com and welcome to today's chart of the day. We are going to be going over the euro versus the US dollar. A couple of big moves here setting up. Right now we're looking at the monthly chart, and those people that have been following along with our videos for quite some time now will recall the trade of the euro happened earlier this year. It was that buy down at 121 area, and that has got a target, as unrealistic as it sounds, up at 177. So that's not something you would necessarily trade off of, but that is where this long-term momentum seems to be pushing the euro according to the charts. Now, this has nothing to do with fundamental analysis of the pair or anything like that. This is just looking at the chart. That move has suffered a major setback in recent times. If we go down a little bit, we're going to go down to the daily chart, and we're going to be able to see this green area. This large green area at the bottom is that bounce point off of that 121.75, 121 area. Now you can see we dipped all the way down to 118.76. That was the low, and then we started this midterm bullish run. Well, we had one move that worked out off of these 126s straight up to the target in the 137 area. The next move for the midterm, so in line with that long-term trend up to 177, was here at 134.25. You can see if we zoom in, you can see we initially, the first test, we did see a reaction there. We saw a lot of bulls who were sitting on the sidelines say, okay, now's the time to get in. We've had a previous target hit. Now's the time to keep pushing this thing higher. Well, this move hits resistance on an extension short. We get serious institutional selling, and that breaks down past this 134 level and breaks out of the move at 132.25. And that means that all of these midterm bears that took positions here have been stopped out of the market. So there is no holding this market up for now. What's causing this thing lower now is stops getting hit off people following up moves. Again, zoom out again. Who are in from the 118.76 area all the way up in this area, who have tried to protect profits at this point, and they've seen it coming down, stops getting hit as they move it up. So what does this mean for the long-term trend? Well, it doesn't mean anything for the long-term trend except that it no longer has the established support of the midterm bulls. So what we need to do as short-term traders is look for the next setup on the pair. Where is this thing going to play out in the short term? How can we use this information about the larger trend to trade on that smaller time frame? So we go down and we're going to look at the 15-minute trend. We can take this bullish support area off of there because it's been broken. And we go down to the 15-minute chart, and we're going to be able to see the setups that are to come in the days to follow. Now, the first setup is going to be the 15-minute trend. So this trend here on the 15-minute chart is continuing down. The next sell area for short-term traders looking to push this market lower past lows at 129.68 is going to be here at 131.30. That's going to be the first opportunity after profits have been taken on these short trades to the downside. The next opportunity to sell intelligently into the euro is going to be at 131.30 should we get back up into that area. That is the short-term trend. The midterm trend, which is off of the daily trend, right? We were moving down in short extensions. The next opportunity there is at 132 even. So these two levels lining up. There's going to be a lot of people who are sitting on the sidelines, a lot of those bulls that got stopped out of those major midterm positions. They're going to be looking to change sides. They're going to be looking to get into this market at the next intelligent area, and this is it. So we're going to see a lot of action between this 131.30. You may see people front running this 132 area, trying to get into the move here, scared that they're going to miss the big downfall in the euro. So watch out for these areas as the next big play. Now, if we break above there, anticipate that this thing has the potential to run all the way back up to that 134 area. Okay, so if we break above 132.50, anticipate next stop around that 134 area as we see shorts getting squeezed out of the market, a little bit of panic buying or covering to erase some of those previous profits. So guys, that's the play on the euro versus the US dollar. A couple of big things happening in this week to come, so very exciting on the pair. If you've got any questions or comments on this video or any of the other videos we do, again, stop by the website www.pillartrading.com. We try to get to your questions and comments as soon as we can. So hopefully everyone has a good trading week, and I will see you all in the next video.